come here. And whipped. I feel like it threw me. My fucking shoulder hurts, right? I need to get that here. I came off that double and it was out from under me. Like I usually try to throw it, but like it slid so much I couldn't get back under me.
I got fucking cross-roaded on that earlier.
That's what happened to me. And I was trying to hold it wide open when I landed. You see me trying to fucking stay on it.
Really threw the little rut on the face and then hop over it.
Yeah,
It almost got me this morning.
It's sideways. Are you holding it?
Yeah.
You're holding it. You can pull it back.
I was about to say you're lucky you got out that clean.
I was trying to stay on it.
Yeah, you were moving.
Got the old ass.
Some like YouTube shit.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I've seen that before.
Hell yeah, that's sick.
Hell yeah, man.
Hell yeah. Hey, be careful, dude.
You got no brakes. No more ride today, buddy.
I wasn't gonna ride again at all.
So forward.
It's coming out the exhaust, I feel it on my face. We got the one out of the tip, but here she is, after the wreck. Front brake, broken lock-ons. Pulled the freaking plunger out of the reservoir, and then something within the motor, it won't fully kickstart. So, gonna have to tear into it. Was riding hard and was riding good. Just had a little slip up. It's MOTO. Let's get the washing. Yeah, they're all cleaned up. Time to start this tear down. Fix all the little parts like the brake reservoir. Open the clutch case up. I already have the gasket for that, so it should be good. But I just hope there's no other problems or anything. I had some metal on the plug, and I'll add that into the vid as well. But yeah, little stuff. Let's get it.